everyone, today I'm going to do a quick review on this shelf that I've got here. We're trying to fill up this room a little bit, so we wanted to have something under the TV here next to the computer table. With the shelf itself, it really has a lot of different abilities in regards to where you want to put it. So obviously we've got 4 shelves here. In this instance, we've got a computer here. We had some speakers on it earlier. But you can go ahead and kind of build up an entertainment system. You can put like a PlayStation or an Xbox down there. In this case, we've just got a computer that we can hook up with a HDMI to the TV if we want to watch shows through the laptop instead. And then we've just got some other things down here, some knickknacks and some books and stuff like that. So with this product itself, it is super nice because it's not flimsy at all. It's actually got quite a good amount of weight to it. And so each of these layers itself can obviously support quite a bit. You don't need to worry about overloading it. Obviously the color is nice too. It's not just one base color itself. We've got the white rails here, and then we've got the grayish gunmetal tops for the shelves. And so with the product as well, if you look at the back here, it does also have kind of like a hook, but if you can imagine, you put a power strip on that or organize cords back there with maybe a zip tie or something along those lines. But it really gives you a good ability to kind of hide all the wires and all the mess that typically goes in with maybe putting electronics on this. But overall, it's been super nice. It looks super nice, and I highly recommend it.